Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Chrome app not installed problem. First you need to go to search for control panel, tap on it, go to programs and features. If you see Google Chrome browser in here, just select this one and tap on uninstall, then it will be completely uninstalled from your system. After uninstalling, you have to remove manually from this location. First you need to go to this PC, go to C drive and go to users and your username. Then after app data, if it is not showing, go to view tab, go to show and tap on hidden items. Go to app data again, local, and scroll down, go to Google. You should delete this folder. Right click on it, tap on delete. And again you need to come back to C drive. This time go to programs files and delete the Google from here also. And again come to the C drive, this time program file x86, double tap on it, right click on it on the Google, tap on delete. Once it is done, you have to go to search for run, tap on it. No need to this one, just close this one. Go to search for registry editor, tap on it. Type in here sfc space / scan now and hit enter. It will be fix your corrupted files. Some of the Windows updates cause to Chrome installation problem. To fix that, go to start menu again, go to setting, go to Windows update, tap on update history, scroll down, tap on uninstall updates. You can see all the updates installed are on all the installed update in here. Just select the problematic update, then you will be able to find uninstall option here. Just tap on it, then after uninstall that update, then restart your computer. So these are the methods you can try to fix the Chrome app not installed issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.